So why do customers choose TVS?
I really think it really kind of comes down to is that it is a complete solution. That they know what's in the field currently from the other two vendors that are left in the cable industry. So they know what what their offerings are. There's been a few other companies that have come in and have had partial solutions. The thing that's different about us is that we have a complete solution. So people that have said to us, well, who are your competitors? Well, we only have two competitors that can provide a complete solution today. And not only that, but it's a factor of it's probably a third the cost of what the other vendors are. And what's very, very important to them is the cost, because it's really the head-end cost. As the fewer subscribers you have, the more important the bigger the factor is of the cost of the head end. So what we've done is, what we've done is we've productized the head end. That's basically the bottom line. And the way to do that is to come out with a number of different products that can be configured in different ways to solve their individual needs. Because each one of these systems and each cable operator are getting their programs from different companies, different suppliers like HITS, or directly from maybe directly from the program suppliers themselves, and they have to, and they're getting some analog, and the lineup's different, etc. So what we've done is we have a solution that by mixing and matching these three different boxes, we can solve just about every solution that, and so far we've been able to solve every problem that has come along just by mixing and matching these boxes. And because the boxes inherently are very, very similar, really the only difference is on the input interface. The output interface remains the same, so there's quite a bit of commonality on from the components inside the boxes and the code base itself. So actually things have gotten more and more reliable over time because everything is common. There's probably 80% of the components and the system in each one of our boxes are probably common to each other. And that's kind of why we went back to the Agile modulator days. Basically before we did the Agile modulator, each modulator had a unique parts list, and so each modulator was unique. And so there were lead times, and it made it special, and so forth. So these boxes basically are very, very similar, and they're very similar in the way that they operate and the way that they're set up. So upgrading the system, say you have 70 channels all analog, and we're going to digitize those, and we had 5 HITS pods, and later on you wanted to add another 10 HITS pods. Basically it's just another 10 of our boxes or 5 of our boxes, and it's very easy just to put those in and then just interconnect the boxes and reconfigure the system. So it's really productizing the entire system in the head end. That's really the key to this, is productizing the head end.